How to change birthday on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Now, go over to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Go ahead and tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. In the settings page, go ahead and go over to the option Birthday. Here, you can easily change the months, years, or even the day. Once you're done putting the exact figure, you will notice a Continue button right over it, so tap on it. Confirm your details and tap on OK. You can see the dates are changed accordingly. So, by following these steps, you can change your birthday on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.